Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Apple. We've already published an initial report on our website, and today we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a strong buy candidate with a score of 2.78. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this time period. Apple's stock has shown a positive growth of 4.48%. In other words, on average, it has provided a daily return of 0.34% since being designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $194, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.51% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between -9.13% and 4.68%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 32.83% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 19.65% and 49.48%. In terms of price, it could range from $227.30 to $283.97 after a year. Our latest update on Apple's stock shows a decline of 0.7% on Friday. On Friday, November 24, 2023, the Apple stock price dropped from $191.31 to $189.97, a decrease of -0.700%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $189.25 and a high of $190.90, with a variation of 0.87%. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 4.14% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume of trading decreased along with the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 15 million shares on the last day. Overall, approximately 23 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a total value of around $4.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, Apple's stock reached a peak of $198.22 and a low of $124.17. Currently, the price is 4.16% or $8.25 lower than the 52-week high. It is also 16.77% or $38.29 below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for Apple Inc. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold the stock. Moving on to Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank rated Apple as sector weight with a recommendation to hold. Let's go back to Friday, November 3, 2023, when Raymond James gave Apple an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI rated Apple as outperform with a recommendation to hold. Lastly, on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight rating with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Apple's stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. This means that the stock has a positive forecast overall, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $190.11. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $179.77. A breakout above the short-term average would generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, some negative signals have been issued recently, which could impact the stock's near-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 0.773% decline so far. It is expected to further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on. First, let's talk about the moving average convergence divergence. It recently gave a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger also gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, provided a sell signal 2 days ago. And the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 17 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 14 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 14 days ago. And the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Let's discuss the support levels for Apple's stock. Currently, there are 2 key support levels just below the stock's current price. The first support level is at $177.56, which has seen significant accumulation of volume. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $176.30. Additionally, there is another support level at $175.01. It's important to understand the risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, there is a possibility of further decline in the stock's price. However, for Apple, the immediate support level is at $177.56. Now, let's consider the risk associated with trading Apple's stock. With its average daily movements and good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $1.65, which is equivalent to a 0.87% difference between the high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 0.98%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with a long history and stable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $190.64. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple encounters a downward trend, its first support level comes in at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock. On October 15, 2023, Condo Chris bought 10,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -22.987. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 2,435,965 shares and sold 4,035,279 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $183.05, representing a decrease of 3.64%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 81, which significantly increases the risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for Apple stock. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, November 27th, we anticipate Apple stock to open up at $190.04, with a modest increase of $0.0700. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, we strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're sharing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. Also, what's your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.